Coral reefs are one of the world's most endangered ecosystems, and we need your help to save them. At the Coral Restoration Foundation, we grow thousands of endangered corals on trees in huge offshore nurseries, and then replant them back onto the Florida Reef Tract. Our coral trees are the best design there is, but they're made of plastic. And if we are going to have a chance of saving the world's coral reefs, one of the things we need to do is keep plastic out of the ocean. This is where you come in. We are now working to produce plastic-free coral trees, but this is a race against time. So, CRF is issuing a design challenge to Florida's students. Can you help us design a better plastic-free tree? We'll give you the tools you need, teaching you why we do what we do and how we do it. Then, you'll put your creativity to the test, developing a design that could be used to help rescue our planet's coral reefs from extinction. The winning design will be built and installed in one of our coral tree nurseries for further testing. And the winning class will be given a state-of-the-art aquarium, allowing them to learn even more about real-world ocean conservation. Help us design a plastic-free tree and get a deeper connection with the ocean. Go to www.coralrestoration.org/plastic-free tree challenge.